Good morning, students. In previous class, we finished the bits 1 to 5 bits. Now today, I am telling you the question and answers. You have to tick in your textbook and then you have to finish your fair notes. Now I will give you the ticks from where to where you have to write. Now I will give you that. Take your textbook. Now first one is, what is the skeletal system? What are its parts? What is the skeletal system? What are its parts? Here you have to come to the first page of the lesson. That means page number 205. Page number 205. Here it is skeletal system and muscular system is there, no? In this, you have to come to the last part. Here, skeletal system is in red color, no? After that, the human skeleton consists of 206 bones. It gives strength and shape to our body. The skull, backbone, ribcage and limbs are the parts of the skeletal system. First answer, in page number 205, the skeletal system and muscular system picture is there, no? Nearby this red color skeletal system is there. After that, you have to start the answer. The human skeleton consists of 206 bones. It gives strength and shape to our body. The skull, backbone, ribcage and limbs are the parts of the skeletal system. This is the first answer. Up to here, that's it. Where to where you have to write? Here to here, ending portion. Understood? Now, next, come to the next question. Describe the skull. Second question is, describe the skull. Second question is, describe the skull. Here, about skull, you have to first come to the same page number 205. Same page number 205. In this page, about skull is there at the bottom of the page. Here, two lines. Don't write these two lines. Next, come to the third line. Which line? Third line starting onwards. The skull protects the brain from injuries and shocks. The skull is made up of 22 bones. The upper portion of the skull is called brain box, which is made up of 8 flat bones interlocked together. It protects and supports the brain. The remaining 14 bones of the skull are curved and make the face. They protect the sense organs, eyes, nose, ears and tongue. All the bones of the skull are immovable except the lower jaw. The lower jaw helps us to talk and eat. So, in the skull, third line onwards to last word, talk and eat, you have to write. In skull paragraph, third line onwards, last, up to last. Third line onwards to last, you have to write second answer. Which answer? Second answer. Now come to the third question. What forms the ribcage? Third question is, what forms the ribcage? Here the ribcage about the paragraph is there in page number 206. In page number 206 about ribcage, the paragraph is there. The total paragraph you have to write. Third question, write about the ribcage is there. So that is ribcage question. Answer this one. Okay, total paragraph. So here the ribcage. The ribcage is the framework of the chest which protects the heart and lungs. The middle bone of the chest is called the breastbone. The bones attached to it are called ribs. There are 12 pairs of ribs which are thin and flat, long and curved bones. All the ribs are joined to the backbone But in the front only 10 pairs are joined to the breastbone. The remaining 2 pairs of ribs are free in the front and are called floating ribs. So where to where you have to write third answer? Here to here, floating ribs. Here to here. Next one is fourth question. What is a joint? Fourth question. What is a joint? What are the different types of joints in our body? What are the different type of joints in our body? Give examples. What are the different types of joints in our body? Give examples. Here you have to come to the page number 207. You have to come to the page number 207. In this 207 page number, you have to come to the first paragraph. First paragraph in this third line. Which line? Third line. The place where 2 bones are linked. Here onwards to last of the paragraph. Last of the paragraph up to skull. Now I will read that one. The place where 2 bones are linked together is called a joint. The bones are connected together by strong and stretchy bands called ligaments. We have 2 types of joints. Movable joints, neck, hand, leg. Immovable joints of the skull. Immovable joints of the skull. So what is the question here? What is a joint? What are the different types of joints in our body? Give examples. So here you have to write the place where 2 bones are linked together is called a joint. Next, the bones are connected together by strong and stretchy bands called ligaments. We have 2 types of joints. Movable joints, neck, hands and leg. Next, immovable joints of the skull. After this, you have to write the joints. What are the joints we had learnt? That are hinge joint. Which answer this one? Fourth answer. You have to write up to here. After writing this, you have to write hinge joint. Hinge joint. Hinge joint. Example, hinge joint. What are the examples? What are the examples you have to write here? Knees, body? Give examples. In this, you have to write answer in 207 page number. Joints topic. In that third line, the place where two bones are linked together is called a joint. Here onwards to different names. Joints of the skull. Then you have to write this one. Hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, gliding joint. So these are the examples. This you have to write. Now answer is finished. Which answer is finished? Fourth answer is finished. Now next one is name the different types of muscles with examples. Name the different types of muscles with examples. Different types of muscles. So here the page number is 208. Which page number? 208 page number. In this page, third paragraph, starting onwards, based on their function and structure, muscles can be classified into three types. They are as follows. Here, based on their functions and structures onwards to as follows you have read. Then here the headings are given. Voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, cardiac muscles. First you have read voluntary muscles. Examples are in the last that are given. Example, the muscles of hands and legs. Voluntary muscles. Example, the muscles of hands and legs. Next, the muscles, involuntary muscles. Example, the muscles of the alimentary canal and the blood vessels. Involuntary muscles, the muscles of the alimentary canal and the blood vessels. Next one, cardiac muscles. Next one is cardiac muscles. The muscles of the heart. Example, the muscles of the heart. Only this much. Which answer this one? Fifth answer. Once more I will tell you. In page number 208, third paragraph, 2 lines only there. That 2 lines you have to write. After that, only heading. Voluntary muscles. And example is here given. The muscles of hands and legs. Involuntary muscles. The muscles of the alimentary canal and blood vessels. Next one, cardiac muscles, the muscles of the heart. This much only the answer. Only heading examples. Voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, cardiac muscles. Understood? This is fifth answer. Now last answer is, how should we take care of our bones and muscles? How should we take care of our bones and muscles? So this answer is the last paragraph of the lesson. Last paragraph of the lesson is the answer. So the page number 209 page number, we should maintain onwards to last paragraph we should maintain. So sixth answer, we should maintain the bones and muscles in good condition because they perform very important functions. We should maintain the correct posture while walking, sitting and standing. We must eat nutritious and balanced food and do exercise and do regular exercise. This is the answer. Last answer, sixth answer, last paragraph of the lesson. So this question and answers you have to write in your file notes. Complete the fair notes update. You have to keep your fair notes update. Whenever you have to submit, when the message come in your group, that at that time you have to submit your fair notes compulsory. Most of the students are not submitting fair notes. After submission also they are not taking again back. So this is not good. You have to complete the fair notes and submit in that school whenever the message comes. So that's why you have to finish. Then there will be examination for you.